Boeing 737. This is a 700 series aircraft. If you haven't already done so at this time, please fasten your seatbelts by sliding the flat end into the buckle. To release, lift up on the buckle. Seatbelts do need to be worn tight and low across your hips anytime you are seated. This aircraft is equipped. We have 6 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors. We have 2 overwing window exits and 2 rear exit doors. Signs overhead and lights on the floor will lead you to each exit. A safety information card can be found in the seat back pocket in front of you. In the unlikely event of a water evacuation, at that time we will direct you to use your life vest. It's located right under your seat. Pull down on the right hand, open the container, remove the pouch, open the pouch, remove the vest. Place it over your head. Wrap the black strap around your waist, buckle it in the front, and pull it tight. Once outside, you must be outside the aircraft. Pull down hard on that right tab to inflate your vest to manually inflate the tube at your shoulder. Brianna and Josh are coming by quickly. They're just double checking, making sure seatbelts are fastened. Please make them visible so it's easier for them to see. Your seat backs and tray tables are. They're full of right long position carry-on items are all the way under the seat in front of you, leaving the area around your feet clear. Smoking is never allowed aboard the aircraft, including electronic cigarettes. Those paper cigarettes, they are not permitted as well. Federal law does prohibit tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector in the aircraft lavatories. Federal aviation regulations, they require passenger compliance with the lighted passenger information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions regarding seatbelts and smoking. For your convenience, we do have 2 lavatories on board, one in the front, which is located right by the cockpit door, and one in the back. Due to security regulations regarding the cockpit door, passengers are unable to see from the forward portion of the aircraft. A running tool will appear at row number 1 between the 2 green stick figures. Take a look at that right now between the 2 green stick figures. Anytime you see the red X, help us out by staying in your seat. Let the passenger leave the lavatory before you approach the front of the aircraft. And now finally, although we never anticipated changing our cabin pressure should one occur, 4 yellow oxygen masks will drop from the compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, simply pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Secure the mask with the elastic strap. Although alcohol will be flowing, the plastic bag... Oh, dear. I'm sorry, although oxygen will be flowing. Sorry. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We would really be a cooler. That's not going to happen. I'm so sorry. Although oxygen will be flowing, I'm so sorry. The plastic bag may not inflate. Please continue wearing the mask until otherwise notified by a crew member. That's it. That's it. That's our list of do's and don'ts. Thank you. Enjoy our 3-hour gate-to-gate. It's going to be 2.5 hours. Wheels up to wheels down. We're glad you're here. We will take great care of you. We really are competent. Welcome aboard. You be careful with that alcohol. Well, didn't know that the airlines wanted us to be drunk.
I had a flight attendant that made that joke on a Delta flight. I had a flight attendant on a Delta flight, and she was like, the mask will drop and alcohol will fill. Place 25 cents for the next cause.
We have been
Exactly.